bell to get the nimble updates for latest videos.
Hi guys, welcome to today's session on IBPS guide. Friends, in this video I will be discussing some dummy questions. These are the dummy questions, okay, dummy questions which were asked in a SBI clerk 2019 first shift. Okay, so friends, this is not exact questions paper. These are not exact questions, these are only dummy question, but the level will be the same, but the level of the question is same, level is same. Okay, so just see, you have to solve this question. First of all I will show you all the question. You have to solve all these three question within 6 to 7 minutes. Within 6 to 7 minutes easily you can solve it. Okay, so first of all, first question is, what is saying that 10 people A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, T are sitting 2 rows, 5 people in each row facing each other. A, B, C, D, E are facing north direction, P, Q, R, S, T are facing in south direction, but not necessarily in the same order. See, this is only the instruction. You have to read within you can say 10 seconds, not 10, less than you can say. Okay, so puzzle setting arrangement started from here. C sits third to the right of A, so we know that A is facing toward the north, so C sits third to the right of A will be 1, 2, 3. C will be here only. One who is sitting opposite to C, that means the same person, there were some persons which are opposite to A, this person and this person. 1, 2, 3, 4 person is allotted. Okay, now what he is saying, one who is sitting opposite to C, one who is opposite to C is the immediate left of R. See, these person are facing toward the south direction. Then if R is here, R immediate left will be only this one. Getting? Only one person sitting between R and T. T is sitting one of the right position of R. So R's right position will be this side. So one gap T. One person is sitting. Now only 2 people are sitting between T and S. Only 2 people is sitting between T and S. If I say 1, 2 and S will be that will be a number of person will be exceed, then 1, 2 S will be definitely at this position only. One person who sits opposite to Q. One person this person is opposite to Q sits third to the left of B. That means B will be somewhere here, 1, 2, 3. That means what he is clearly saying that, but B is not sitting at the extreme end, then B is definitely at this position, 1, 2, 3. This person is opposite to Q. Done. Question is solved. P is here, A, B, C. Now number of persons sitting to the left of P, that will be the 2 person. The same number of person, and the number of persons sitting to the left of E is same. So E will be definitely at this position. D will be the definite. Within 2 minutes you can solve this question, within 2 minutes. Okay, clear? I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's move toward the certain number of person in a linear arrangement, then we will switch to a circular arrangement. Okay, question says that a certain number of persons sitting in a row facing toward the north, N sits 4 to the right of B. So B is here facing toward the north, and N sits 4th to the right of B, that will be somewhere this side, and number of person between B and N will be 3. 1, 2, 3. This will be the N. Further I say only 2 persons sits between N and L. So it may be this side or it may be this side. So make another possible case like this. 1, 2, 3, N. Now number of person between N and L is 2. 1, 2, L will be here, 1, 2, L will be here. Okay, clear? Now L sits 6th to the left of E, that means number of person between E and L will be the 5. Getting my point? L sits 6th to the left of E, somewhere here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E will be here, L is here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E will be here only. Now T sits 8 to the left of E. E is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. T will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. T will be here only. Okay, now B is second from one of the end of the row. That means it's currently it's a second from one of the row, because this is the end. Suppose this is your end, first, second. Now in this case, first, second. Now this line is also satisfying. G sits adjacent to K and E. K and E, G is adjacent. Okay, K is not immediate neighbor of N. That means E is here. Then if I say G is here, then K will be here, which is not allowed. So that means G will be this side, K will be this side. Okay. Now K is not immediate neighbor of N. Yeah, it's not done. K is not in neighbor of N. Now less than 12 persons are sitting in a row. So first case is eliminated, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a more than 12. So this case eliminated. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it is less than 12. So this is your valid question. I hope everyone is clear with this question. Now let's move to the circular sitting arrangement. Now circular arrangement. 8 men A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting in a circular table. They are facing inside. Okay, not necessarily in the same order. Now first of all, make the diagram like this. 8 persons is done. Only one person sitting between A and B. If A is here, one gap, B is here. Make the another diagram. Immediately A is here, one gap, B is here. H sits third to the left of B. B is here. 1, 2, 3. H will be here. B is here. 1, 2, 3. H will be here. Okay, because all the person are facing inside, that is why I am not making the direction here, because we know that all the person are facing inside. Okay, now only one person sits between D and C. Both D and C are not immediate neighbor of B. D is not here, C is not here. D is not here, C is not here. Okay, if D is here, one gap C, no, D is here, one gap C is possible. Yeah, if D is here, one gap C not possible. D is here, one gap C, it's possible. Or you can say D is here, one gap C not possible. So the only possible case is D and C is here, D and C is here. Getting my point, what I am trying to say? Okay, there's no other place. You can just see D and C is not here, not here. So if you place D, one gap C not possible, because B and C. D, one gap C not possible, H is here. So if D is here, one gap C, or C is here, one gap D. Clear? I hope everyone is clear. Not here, not here. So if I say D is here, one gap C, one gap C not possible. So if I say D is here, one gap C not possible, one gap C. So only possible case is D and C, one gap D and C. Only this possible case. Now read further. Okay, F sits second to the right of E. F is not immediate neighbor of B. F is not here, F is not here. The only position for the F is this one. Okay, so F is here. So F is not immediate neighbor of B. F sits second to the right of E. That means E will be here, then only second to the right. In this case, if F is not here, F is not here, the only position is F is here. Now if I place E here only, then I can say this is a second he's saying what? F sits second to the right of. So that means E will be here, then only I can say second right will be this one. Okay, now what he is saying, at last he is saying who is G is not immediate neighbor of A. G is not immediate neighbor of A. That means A is here, then definitely G will be here. Only in this case, the only position for the G is this. So G is not immediate neighbor of A. This case is ruled out. So this is your correct answer. G sits third to the right of D. Now third to the right of D, that means D's position is fixed. D is here now and C is here. 1, 2, 3. Clear? So this is your right arrangement. I hope you like this session, friends. See, once again you will just see all the question. You can solve within 6 minutes, friends, within 6 minutes. I think this video is completed less than 10 minutes. I have completed this video. So friends, the level is this. So keep your mind cool, go with confidence in your examination hall, give your best. That's it. Try to attempt 75 plus. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.